Brad, ay padulong Brad, turista.
How much, sir?
Brad, pila man Brad?
Pangiwilag 5,000 Brad.
Give the 5K.
Okay, sir. Here's your 5K.
Hold on eh!
What is this?
Wow! Usay pasabot ani!
Babe, where are we going?
We're going to see the falls, babe.
But we don't know where's the falls, babe. I'm afraid.
It's okay, babe. I'm here for you.
Okay, babe. I'll trust you.
Brad, ay padulong Brad, turista.
Ay kabala ka Brad. Mga kwarto taan.
Sure lang Brad ha. Kay marag purinira ba ni? English na, panigurado.
Ay kabala ka Brad. Ni-graduate ko og English sa una.
Aw, sure man ka. Padulong na oh.
Excuse me, sir.
Ma'am, good morning. Unsay ato?
Do you know where's the falls here?
Patay. English yun ay. Brad, ikaw na bahala ni.
Sige Brad, ako'y bahala ni.
Brad, ingna Brad. Before ato tubagon nilang pangutana, pangiwi sa kwarta.
Before I answer your question, ma'am, give me my money first.
Babe, give the money.
Okay, babe. I'll give the money. How much, sir?
Brad, pila man Brad?
Pangiwilag 5,000 Brad.
Ma'am, 5K only ma'am.
Okay. Babe, give the 5K.
Okay, babe. Here's the money.
Thank you ma'am. Please go there.
Let's go, babe.
Okay, babe.
Kini, marag kwarta gini oh.
Babe, where's the falls?
Excuse me, sir.
Ni hao.
Oh no, babe. I think he is Chinese. Excuse me, sir. Where's the falls?
Ni hao. Goodbye, falls. Go there. Go there.
Babe, I think he said we go there.
Okay, babe. Please say thank you.
Sir, salamat kayo.
What thank you? No, thank you. Give me cinco.
What's he said, babe?
I think he needs money, bro, before we go there.
Hey, babe. How much you need?
Sir, can I ask you, how much do you need?
Cinco. Pulok ka?
Babe, I think he said 5K.
Okay, babe. Give him 5K.
Okay, babe. Okay, sir, here's your 5K.
Salamat. Go there. Falls.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Brad, dire ba tumuhagi itong mga foreigner Brad? Sure ko Brad, dire tumuhagi Brad. Pinakaplano na to.
Okay.
Kapi. Murag ka ni, padulungan na. Brad, mauna ni Brad. Mauna yung tama na oras. Mauna ni. Tara!
Oh no!
Hold on eh!
What is this?
Wow! Usay pasabot ani!
Biste bisaya dahil mo. Hold up ni!
Hold up ni, ambing kwarta.
Babe, give the money.
Okay, babe. Here's the money. Here's the money.
Kuha ko order pre.
Mina!
Ang sani na, hubuha!
Hey!